Hello everyone, a very chilled out welcome to Pooja's Hive. Today I am in a very chilled out mood. Why? Because my mornings have been very productive. I've done a lot of yoga and now I'm drained out. So if I'm drained out, I am not going to get into something too much nitty gritty of the kitchen जिसके अंदर मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ डिटेल में बनाना पड़े बट एट द सेम टाइम मुझे कुछ तो देना है इनको बिकॉज इट्स लंच टाइम एंड दे वांट समथिंग इंस्टेंट सो I'll tell you a recipe today which is a one pot meal and very tasty. Chalo, let's get started. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Pooja. I've been a professor of marketing for to radiate this energy to a larger audience. ये वन पॉट मील अब क्या है आई विल टेल यू दिस इज चने की दाल की खिचड़ी नाउ चने की दाल की खिचड़ी शायद आपने सुनी है नहीं सुनी है आई एम नॉट वेरी श्योर बिकॉज नॉर्मली व्हाट पीपल मेक इज मूंग की दाल की खिचड़ी बट दिस चने की दाल की खिचड़ी ट्रस्ट मी इज अ वेरी वेरी satiating recipe. Okay, ingredients for the recipe are chawal, obviously, 2 cups of rice, then chane ki dal, 1.5 cups of chane ki dal, then it is 1 onion, 1 tomato, 1 pod of ginger, and then my dry spices, bay leaf, cloves, and my peppercorns. Then last but not the least is my sarson ka tel, mustard oil, which is approximately 1 big tablespoon. Okay, first is I've kept my dal for boiling, and side by side what I'm going to do is I'll start sauteing my pyaz. Okay, first of all is I'm going to pour my mustard oil in this. The moment you use mustard oil and make anything in mustard oil, especially rice, the color of the rice becomes beautiful. It becomes a goldenish color, a brownish goldenish color oil, because mustard oil gives that nutty like flavor and that crunchiness in every kind of sabzi. So what I'm going to do is this mustard oil, I'm going to give it a big burn. Smoky level tak usko aana chahiye, and at that time you'll see that the mustard oil will become a little translucent. Okay, jab tak my oil was getting smoky, see, in the meantime my dal. Now you can see this froth coming on the dal. This you have to throw because आपको ये जो froth है ना, this is very bad. It really leads to a lot of bloating and some people have that gastritis kind of a problem. So I'm going to throw this. अच्छा अब मैंने फिर I've again kept my dal for boiling because मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि let me check it. It's kind of boiled because I'm going to mix it with chawal also, and then also at that time also it's going to get some steam. Okay, now see this, it's changed its color, and now is the time I'm going to use my ingredients. I'll start putting my tej patta. I'm putting this all together, and please be careful because the peppercorns sometimes they just plop up. It's done. Then I'm going to use, I think I forgot to tell you, you need to put jeera. Oh, see, the peppercorns. Okay, jeera approximately, again andaza, 1.5 teaspoon. There goes in my pyaz. Okay, now you can see this. Look at the color of the onions. It's proper pinkish. Now it's going to give a beautiful color to the khichdi. Okay, now here goes in my tomatoes and my ginger. Okay, you must be wondering कि मैंने ginger का छिलका क्यों नहीं उतारा. So let me tell you कि I avoid taking out the छिलकाs of sabzi because trust me, जितना ज़्यादा nutrient value उस छिलके के अंदर है ना, उतनी वो सब्जी के अंदर भी. Okay, and now at this stage I'm not going to make it too much of mushy. I'll add my dal first. Okay, now हमारी दाल हमारी दाल इसमें कट रही है. This means it's almost par. Now add in the rice. Okay, now add salt per taste and some garam masala. Again approximately 1.5 to 2 teaspoons. Give it a stir. Okay, now we'll see the level of water. I think approximately it has to be double. अब इसको मैं ढक कर रख रही हूँ for another 5 to 10 minutes till it gets one boil. Okay, and after that one boil, I'm going to simmer it. चलो, I'm going to now shift it to the big burner so that it comes to a boil fast. After approximately 12 minutes of khichdi on the simmer, it's done. See this now. Why I was saying कि you don't have to cook it in the pressure cooker is because एक एक grain इसका separate रहता है. अगर आप pressure cooker में इसको डाल देते ना तो क्या होता है कि जो नीचे वाली layer है ना, sometimes it becomes little mushy. And now it's time for plating. Now I can't wait. Okay, another tip. While you are taking it out, please don't do like this. उसके अंदर मत ज़्यादा आप अपना स्पून चलाएं. सॉफ्टली डेलिकेटली प्यार से खिचड़ी को निकालें. सी एक एक चावल का दाना कितना ज़्यादा सेपरेट और कितना अच्छा आया है. प्यार से निकालें खिचड़ी को. डोंट बी इन अ हरी. नाउ it's optional, but what I do is I always put half a teaspoon of desi ghee on it. I hope you like this one pot chilled out meal. And like, share and subscribe.